In this video, we will learn how to split a NumPy array. To split means to break or slash an array into multiple arrays. For that, we'll be using the array underscore split method, and we will also work around some examples. Let's see. Split means we can easily break an array into multiple arrays. Let's say you have an array. You want to break that array into 2 arrays or 3 arrays. You can easily do it in NumPy using the array underscore split method. So here is the syntax of the method. You need to add 2 parameters. The first one would be obviously the array name you want to split, the array you want to split. And second would be the split number, that is the count of splits. So if you want to break an array into 2 parts, mention 2 here. If you want to break an array into 3 parts, mention 3 here. In this way, the array underscore split method works. We will see the following examples that will allow us to split a 1D as well as a 2D array. Okay, firstly, we will see how to split a 1D array. After splitting an array, we will see how we can access a split 1D array. So let's say you divided your 1D array into 2 parts. How you can access them individually, the 2 parts. Okay, we will understand it in the second example. The third example will cover the complete 2D array. That means how to split a 2D array and how to access each and every part of the 2D array after we break or slash it, that is split. So let's see the examples. So in the first example, we will split a one-dimensional array using the array underscore split method. We will split the array into 2 parts. So let's see. We have created a project on PyCharm for split. So let us create our first file. Right click new Python file. Let me name it demo1. It will automatically add the .py extension because Python file is by default selected. Press enter. So it added demo1.py. Similarly, we can create 2 more files for our other examples quickly. So here it is. Let us see the first example, how we can split a one-dimensional array. For that, we will first import NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. NP is an alias. So let us create a 1D array n using NumPy, that is np.array, and within that create your 1D array, add elements for your array. Let's say I added the following elements, 6 elements. Now we will print the array. For a in n, that is for in loop, print a. Split the array into 2 parts. How? Using the array underscore split method. Let us create a new array, resarr. This will show our output. So use NumPy, that is np.array underscore split, and within that mention the array name and comma. If you remember the syntax, the split number, that is the count of split. So we added it, and then print the array. Therefore, it will now return 2 arrays because we broke it into 2. Print the new array, that is resarr. This will show both our 2 arrays which we divided above. That's it. File, save all. Right click and run demo1. That is, first we have displayed our array with 6 elements. Then we have array count, split count as 2, and we have broken it into 2 parts. Okay, 10, 20, 30, and then 40, 50, 60. Okay, we did it using the array underscore split method, and here is the 2, the array count, the split count. So in this way, guys, we can split a 1D array in NumPy using the array underscore split method. Now let us see another example in which we will access a split one-dimensional NumPy array. So let's say we want to individually access the split array. We have divided the array into two parts, but how we can access them individually? Okay, we can do that using the index number for the array element you want to display. So we have split our array into two parts. So how we can access the first part and second part individually, we will see in this example. Here it is, how we can access a 1D array that we have broken down. Import NumPy as NP. After that, create an array. Okay, n is equal to np. We can take it from our previous example. That is, we created an array, we printed it. Okay, we created a one-dimensional array and added 6 elements. Then we iterated it. Now we will split into two. Split there into two. We will create a new array for the output resarr. Now NumPy, that is np dot array underscore split method. Within that, first we will add the array, then we will add the count. That is the split count. We will divide into two. Okay, now after dividing into two, let's say we want to access the first part. How we can do that? For that, we will use the index number. Let me directly print it. So use the output array, and within that mention 0 for the first part. After the two new arrays that we got from the following array, and similarly for the second one, type and index 1. Okay, in this way we can easily print array 1. We can write that is a two array generated from our first array, from our initial array. So we have broken down into two paths. Okay, go to file, save all, right click and run demo. Here it is. This was our array. It was broken down into two by us, and one by one we have printed it. We could have also printed it initially, so that we know what we are doing. Array after splitting. Okay, right click, run demo 2. Now you can see iterating the array, then array after splitting. The following was our array. We broke it down into two. But what if you want to access only this one? For that, use the index number. So we used index 0 to print the first one, the first broken part, and index 1 to print the second broken part. So in this way, guys, we can easily access a split 1D array in NumPy. So guys, we saw using the index number, we can easily access a split 1D array. Now let us see how we can split a two-dimensional NumPy array and access it. We will see both of them in a single example. Okay, we will split the array into two parts, and then we will display both of the parts individually. Third example. Here is our third example, how to split a 2D array in NumPy and access it individually. For that, import NumPy as NP. NP is our alias. Create a new array. We are creating n as a new array. Use NumPy, that is np.array method, and within that we will create our 2D array. So this is our 2 by 3 matrix, that is 2 row 3 column matrix. Okay, now we will print the array. Using for in loop. For a in n, print a. This will print our entire array one by one. Now we will split into two. We will split the array into two using let's say I'll create a new array for output, and then I'll use numpy, that is np dot array underscore split method, and within that we will mention the array name which we want to break down, and now comma 2. So this will divide our complete array into two parts. If we'll add 3, it will divide into three parts. Now we will access also. Let us print the array completely. That's it. Now we will access it one by one individually. Okay, so this will be our array 1. We will be using the index number, that is RESARR, our output array. 0th index would be our first one. Let me fix this. And first index would be our second array which we have broken down. Okay, let's see the output file, save all. To understand the concept, right click, run demo 3. Now here it is, our 1D array, the following. Okay, after that we have printed the result here, but we wanted to access individually. So instead of working on this, we have displayed there individually. The first one is the following and the second one is here. So in this way, guys, we can easily split a 2D array and access each part individually. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily split a NumPy array and how we can easily access individual values. Thank you for watching the video.